The Himalayas, a living tapestry of nature, culture, and climate. Imagine soaring above the clouds, where the peaks of the Himalayas pierce the sky. These majestic mountains are not just a physical boundary. They are a realm of natural splendor, cultural significance, and climatic importance. In this short documentary, we delve into the wonders of the Himalayas, exploring their history, culture, ecology, and the pressing challenges posed by climate change. The roof of the world, stretching across 5 countries, namely India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan. The Himalayas are home to the planet's tallest peaks, including Mount Everest, standing at a staggering 8,848 meters. This region, often referred to as the roof of the world, has fascinated adventurers and scientists alike for centuries. The Himalayas were formed around 50 million years ago, when the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate. This ongoing process has created a dynamic and evolving landscape of towering peaks, deep valleys, and glacial rivers. The Himalayas are still rising at a rate of about 5 millimeters per year, making them a living example of Earth's geological activity. The name Himalaya derives from Sanskrit, meaning abode of snow. Throughout history, the Himalayas have drawn explorers and mountaineers. From the early expeditions of George Mallory and Tenzing Norgay's triumphant ascent of Everest with Edmund Hillary, these mountains have been a stage for human resilience and ambition. However, the Himalayas are not just mountains, they are sacred landscapes imbued with deep cultural and spiritual significance. Mount Kailash, revered in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Bon as a sacred mountain, it is believed to be the abode of Lord Shiva. Manaslu, known as Mountain of the Spirit, it holds spiritual importance for local communities. From prayer flags fluttering in the wind to the chanting of monks in monasteries, the Himalayas are alive with traditions that have been practiced for millennia. Festivals like Losar, Tibetan New Year, and Mani Rimdu are celebrated with great fervor. Trails like the Annapurna Circuit and the Path to Everest Base Camp blend adventure with a deep sense of cultural immersion. Pilgrimages to sites like the Kedarnath Temple and Paro Taktsang Tiger's Nest offer spiritual solace. The Himalayas are steeped in myths. Tales of the Yeti, the mysterious snow creature, and local stories of divine interventions add layers of mystique to these towering peaks. The Himalayas are a biodiversity hotspot, supporting a wide range of flora and fauna despite their harsh conditions. Rhododendrons. These vibrant blooms paint the landscape in spring. Yasagumba, known as Himalayan Viagra, is a prized fungus with medicinal properties. Snow leopard, known as the ghost of the mountains, this elusive predator symbolizes the fragility of Himalayan ecosystems. Red panda, a shy, tree-dwelling mammal found in the eastern Himalayas. Himalayan monal, the national bird of Nepal. Its iridescent plumage is a visual delight. The independency of the Himalayan ecosystem is a delicate balance. From the smallest pollinator to apex predators, every species plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of this environment. The Himalayas are the water towers of the world. The Himalayas are often referred to as the third pole because they contain the largest reserve of fresh water outside the polar regions. Glaciers and rivers. The Gangotri and Siachen glaciers are vital sources of water for millions of people. Iconic rivers like the Ganges, Indus, and Brahmaputra originate here, sustaining agriculture, livelihoods, and ecosystems across South Asia. The Himalayan region influences monsoon patterns and acts as a climatic divide between South Asia and Central Asia. Microclimates within valleys create pockets of unique biodiversity. The Himalayas are at the front line of climate change, experiencing rising temperatures, glacial retreat, and unpredictable weather patterns. Glacial meltdown. Glaciers in the Himalayas are shrinking at an alarming rate. The Imja Glacier in Nepal has receded significantly in recent decades. Studies reveal that over one-third of Himalayan glaciers could vanish by the end of this century if current warming trends continue. Melting glaciers increase the risk of glacial lake outburst floods. Reduced snowpack affects river flows, jeopardizing water security for millions of people. Changes in weather patterns disrupt traditional farming cycles, threatening food security. The melting of Himalayan glaciers contributes to rising sea levels, affecting coastal regions worldwide. Scientific discoveries and exploration. The Himalayas have been a site for groundbreaking scientific research. Geological insights. The discovery of marine fossils at high altitudes provides evidence of the region's ancient origins under the sea. Ongoing studies on tectonic activity offer clues about earthquake risks. Climate research, ice core samples from Himalayan glaciers serve as climate archives, revealing Earth's atmospheric history over millennia. Studies on biodiversity help scientists understand how species adapt to extreme environments. A lofty call to action. Initiatives like the Sagarmatha National Park and the Snow Leopard Conservation Program aim to preserve the region's biodiversity. Local communities are key players in sustainable tourism and conservation practices. What can we do? From reducing carbon footprints to supporting ecotourism, individuals and governments have a role in safeguarding the Himalayas for future generations. Spreading knowledge about the Himalayas' significance is crucial. Documentaries, workshops, and community programs can inspire collective action. As the sun sets behind the Himalayan peaks, their silhouettes remind us of their grandeur and fragility. The Himalayas are not just a natural wonder, they are a vital lifeline for our planet. Protecting them is not just a responsibility, it is a testament to our shared commitment to a sustainable future. Join us in this mission to cherish and conserve the Abode of Snow.